Oh, hi. How are you? Yeah, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna jump on and try and finish the back section. We're gonna continue from our previous video. We're gonna work on the octagon. I'm gonna give you a look of what we've done so far in this house that we're doing. So we only have that much to do this morning. Yeah, we already finished this section here. Let's dive right into the video. Hope you enjoy it. I need my pen, my tape, buddy.
Master, me say.
No, I cut this in a grade.
You done long time.
You're rush to try to catch me up. Eh?
You not done long time. You're up already.
No. What kind of Jamaica guy is this? Where you from?
Who?
You from Jamaica or what?
I said you'd have done do them single brick them man.
Sick of your blood clot, yeah.
Of course you'd have done with them single brick if you never have your mark.
Must be a Jamaica.
If you have the mark already, flex.
Huh?
If you have the mark already. You don't believe you'd have done already? You'd have done up this already.
No, I'm with the high, but I wouldn't done. You mean I never have to cut?
If you never have to cut, yeah. A one brick, you know. Oh, me I say.
See, you know, everything. Can't do it all the time. I like how you look on it still. You know more about my pencil, my your teeth, you know that.
My pencil drop and me have to take
you. I go me attack, man. Then the thing they not give back, you know. Eh?
Nice. You hear that you come quick. You never know that. When you hear them kind of talk.
Hey guys, you hear the type of conversation the Jamaica guys they're having here? Oh man. Oh man. Pussy mean vagina.
Who doesn't know that? Give me some mask.
Yeah, mama, come on. Yo, Martha.
You think they know all that, Papa? You think they know all that pussy? Chris? You think they know what is pussy?
What do you think? That's a universal language, you know. No matter where you go, everybody knows.
No pussy? You know pussy? You know pussy, my friend? Who, me? Me or green? Sour one.
No man, one tall brown one we used to do this. The big sour one. Big sour one good with me still, you know.
Hey, you two. What up? Yeah, we're there, and we have to finish this today. Don't watch the face. Now watch it. So guys, now we're putting our paper. We're trying to see if we can finish this wall today, guys. I'll let you know how it goes. Even though you guys are here with us, so you will see. So now we're gonna check for our window to see what we have to work. Measure from the top down. It says 0-1. So we're gonna work 0-1. Mark 0-1. Okay, let the fun begin. If you get involved from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Let's put this wall up now. I like to plumb each course as I go and level. This way you don't have to do a lot of bangings. It's very important to put your level on each one of them as you go up. Okay guys, so I finished this one. Let's do some joints. Yeah man, finished with the jointing. Let's do our brush now. This one we gotta check to see what we gotta work here. This one. Okay, this one is 001, the same as that one over there. Some more brick ties. We're gonna bend it again the same way. Push them down right in here. We're gonna put 2 more brick ties. You wanna put as much brick ties as possible. The brick ties is what you're gonna use to basically hold it up. Guys, brick tie again. I'm gonna make the same bend. On top. What a kid! Now we're finished. We're gonna check with our big level. Make sure everything is nice and plump. Good. Perfect. Perfect for Canada. Turn the machine off.
What? Should I just finish that something? Finish up top, and when we go down, we just deal with the setting downstairs. You know? At least we know so we get something done. Finish it up. But I go down and come back here. So. It don't really matter. The thing about it is that when I say, you hope you're ready, may as well we just finish up here and go down. We're still in what we can be.
Brick some brick ties. You want more brick tie, young buddy? So there I'm scoring my mark onto the window. we're gonna lay our brick and follow all those marks until we reach up. Talk sometime with him.
The young, you know, man. The people that were hanging themselves are 60, are 70 and 80-year-old people, them, you know.
Why
I said, I didn't fit on home.
You know, only birdie. Yeah, you
I
get
didn't the pussy will fit on home.
They can't live in that kind of environment. So that they must say. They'd rather be dead to live like that.
Man, them deserve to dead, them don't kill themselves, you know.
That's what I tell you.
Deserve to dead, buddy. Nothing on this earth here, I'm going to do the things to do myself.
Whole life nice. You are done with it.
Not even do it, but
Give me.
fucking crazy. I think we stress me, even know if we stress the ego. I don't even know if we do it, if you ask me if we stress. Not time for them to fuck with them, man. Nah, man. I don't know if we stress. You always have stress on me, I say, what you have stress for? What you care? Yeah guys, we're almost finished. We're getting there. We're getting there, man. It's a bit chilly out here. I'm not complaining. Okay guys, that's it for now. Hope you get value from this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe if you're new. I'll be happy to have you a part of our team. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one. We're going to start the sidewall right now, so tune in for that video coming up soon. Thank you.